black pepper and ginger and my garlic. So I am making a seasoning for turkey. I'm going to blend everything. I have my basil. I have my thyme. Don't do that, baby. See me open my mouth. You understand? I have a toddler and he's about to take my tripod. I have my rosemary. I do have my complete spices, so it's complete seasoning. I have that. Even though I have this has a bit of salt in it, so I'm literally yep, it does have salt. So I'm not going to put too much of salt. Cayenne pepper. I don't think I have paprika, so I'm going to use cayenne pepper in place of paprika. So I have to put a little bit because I already have regular pepper in here. There you go, baby. What do you want? You see something in it? You got it? So I'm not putting a lot because cayenne pepper is also spice hot a little bit for those who don't eat that much pepper. My curry. My Goya all-purpose seasoning. Goya. This is also salty also, so I have to be very careful. I have my bay leaf. About, just like 3/4 of that. And I'm not forgetting my onion. I think I still have, yeah, I still have onion somewhere around here. And now comes my, Nigeria will call it Maggi, but this is chicken stock, dry chicken stock, which is the same thing as the cube Maggi or cube star So this is chicken stock, but the powdered one. So I'm just gonna put about 1.5 spoons, and that's it. And I remember I have a few things that have salt in it, so my salt is not going to be too much because I do not want to salt my food. Hi, baby. You okay? So at this point, I have my assistant. So right now, I have my olive oil. You can use regular vegetable oil or cannon oil or whatever, coconut oil, whatever you feel like. But in this particular recipe, I'm using my olive oil. And I'm going to blend. Don't close your ear, Papa. I want to blend, baby. Don't close your ear. And now we have our paste. Now we have our paste. So this will go on the turkey. It's not a big turkey, but I'm going to still cut it. I'm going to cut the turkey.